What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Dustin with Jersey Shore Drainage Solutions, and today we're going to help prevent another yard from flooding by running out their downspout. So let's get started. And here we go. As you can see, the first thing you always want to make sure you do is get the marked out in. It is free. Call it in. It helps protect yourself. Now, also, as you're going to notice here, they have already had the concrete pathway put in. This is why I tell everybody all the time, please make sure the downspouts are run out beforehand. Otherwise, the water is going to end up getting trapped on the inside and flooding out every and anything you put in here, which, as you can see, it goes all the way to the end. All the water gets trapped, overflows, and washed out all this mulch, this rock, and everything else over everything, and kept just washing out down. So we're going to be running downspouts from the right side, back and front, all the way to the front, and on the right side of the house, left side of the house, everything's going straight to the front with the sump pumps included. So let's get started. All right, and now here we go. I have the left side of the house done. As you can see, we have the level. We are downhill to level, and for those that want to get antsy about how I do the whole level thing, there you go. Look, still downhill to level. So it goes all the way down. Keep going over to here. Downhill to level. That way we keep everything. We have the head pressure going. Everything over to here, which we are again downhill to level. Get everything going. Pick up the other downspout. Come through here, going out to the street. We are extremely downhill to level, so keeps going all the way down into here. As always, make sure pop up a mini dry well. We have the rocks, we have everything burrito wrapped. So now it is complete and ready for backfill. And that is how you do it. Now to do the right side. All right, and here is the right side of the house. We're on the back right. As you see, it's dark now, but we have it downhill to level. We keep going all the way down here, which throw it up in here, and as you can still see, we are downhill to level. We have it continue going all the way behind. We have the sump pump tied in. Everything's nice and glued because it's pressured, so make sure it's glued. Come around here. We got the other downspout tied in, and everything over here going to the front, which we have it still downhill to level, going all the way underneath the sidewalk out here to the street, where we have it burrito wrapped, drilled the holes in it, put the rock in it, make it a mini dry well. Now to backfill everything and show you how it works. And here we go. This is how we show how the systems work. You put the hose in the clean out furthest away, and this one is in the back right of the house. We have the sump pump and everything tied into it. We have the front right downspout tied into it, and everything comes all the way down here to the end at the street, where the water is going to build up and then be able to facilitate out and over. So now we're just going to wait a minute until it builds up. And here we go. Right side of the house, water builds up, facilitates out, over the curb, goes down to the nearest storm drain, which happens to be down over there. That is exactly how your downspouts work and how you help eliminate water from flooding your yard by running out the downspouts. Now, to show the left side. And then here we go. We got the front left of the house. Go ahead and show how everything works. Put the hose in the furthest point, which is in the back left, just like that. Let the water just pile in there every which way, it doesn't really matter. As long as the hose stays, all the water is going to come down, going this way. All the way through. All the way down here to the street. And as you can see, it's building up. So now we're just going to wait for it to build up and then watch it overflow. And here we go. We have the front left of the house. Everything pops out, facilitates up, goes over the curb and goes down, and will go down to the nearest storm drain down the street on that side. So on the left side goes to the storm drain to the left. On the right side goes to the storm drain to the right. And this is, again, how you eliminate water from flooding your yard. Another job well done by Jersey Shore Drainage Solutions. As always, like, share, comment, subscribe, and until the next one. And here we go. This is exactly how your downspout works. See the water coming out of the pop-up, facilitating out, coming over the curb and going down and going to the storm drain down there. That is how your downspout works when it is raining. And this is how you help prevent water from flooding your yard by extending out your downspouts. Just like that.